Jacob, chasing tails with JG. It's youth season here in Kentucky. It ain't the best weather. It's been raining all week. We got some pretty bad flooding going on. Turkeys ain't acting like they should. We tried to hunt this morning. Did not go well. We didn't see a single turkey. Didn't hear no gobbles. We're going to try again in the morning. We'll see if we can't get one to come. I don't know how it's going to go, but maybe next time y'all see us, we'll have footage of a turkey. Maybe we'll get a turkey down. We'll see. So here we have a hen. She came down directly off the roost. She moseyed around for a little while. Checked everything out. We had a tom gobbling pretty far behind us. He was not getting any closer, and she went directly to him. Figured that he was now henned up because he stopped gobbling shortly after we left to go get some breakfast.
Going on, y'all? It's been a terrible youth weekend. It's midday. We hunted this morning. I didn't see nothing. A couple of hens heard some gobbles, but couldn't kill nothing. So we're back at midday. We're going to see if we can't get it done. Hopefully we can get a turkey. We shall see.
So we had these 5 jakes sneak in on us, silent. We was debating on shooting one or not. We decided to give them a pass in hopes of seeing a gobbler. We later regretted it, kinda, but not really. We'll still try to chase gobblers. Not against shooting a jake whatsoever, but we really thought we was going to get a tom. So we held out, and patience did not help us. These curious jakes just wouldn't leave for a while. They wanted to check everything out. Well, guys, that's all the action we had this youth weekend. The weather was not great. We did the best with what we had. Got to give credit to Harley for sticking out in the rain. She hunted hard. We just didn't get it done. The real season starts this weekend. Hopefully, we can get some turkeys down. We're going to be at it pretty hard. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.